From bare bones maintenance early this spring when we were under strict quarantine to a historic early ice storm that we just recently experienced. The Botanic Gardens here at OSU, like many gardens, has shown its fortitude and perseverance. And just like your garden may have gone through some renovations, the Botanic Garden here also has gone through some transformations. Dr. Lou Anella, director of the Botanic Garden, joins us to share with us some of the new features that you'll find here.
Hi everybody, my name is Lou Anella. I'm the director of the Botanic Garden at Oklahoma State University and professor of horticulture in the Department of Horticulture and Landscape Architecture. We'd like to give you an update on some of the projects we've had here this year. You know, with COVID-19, it's been terrible. Our ambassadors, our volunteers haven't been able to work with us, and we miss doing some of the programming we've always done, but man, have we had a busy year and a lot's been going on. So the Tree Walk Village that you see here is one of the projects that we've done in the last year. And we've got another phase of the Tree Walk Village coming hopefully in this coming few months. And this is just a wonderful facility to attract children to the Botanic Garden, get them interested in being out of doors, get them interested in horticulture, and this is a lot of fun and a lot of people have been using it. So the Tree Walk Village was built with a recreational trails grant that is federal money that comes through the Department of Tourism for the state of Oklahoma. And we've also had some private donor sponsorships. OnQ and the Griffith family have made a donation to the Tree Walk Village. The Payne County Audubon Society has made a donation, and a private donor, Lynn Miller, has as well. So we're really happy to have those sponsors and to have that support for getting the second phase of the Tree Walk Village done. So the other great projects we finished in August was the road and the parking lot. So we've never had a paved road here at the Botanic Garden. The Botanic Garden is one of Stillwater's jewels. It's really important to the community, it's important to the university, and you've never been able to get here on a paved road. So we're really happy to have a paved road, to have a paved parking lot. Makes it so much safer for people, makes it easier for people who have accessibility issues, and it just brings us up into the 21st century. So we're really happy. The university provided most of the funding, the department provided funding as well, and again, we've had private donors chip in. Ray Campbell was our largest donor, Leslie Imbeden and Susie Taylor, Bob and Marcia Adams, and Lynn Hughes were all donors to this project, and Debbie Skinner. And so we're really pleased. Debbie Skinner is going to help us build a structural element in the parking lot. In the islands of the parking lot, we're going to have these architectural elements that one of our landscape architecture students is designing, and we're excited to see that come to fruition this spring. So again, because of COVID-19, things have changed, and we're adapting like everybody else. We're not doing programming right now, but we hope to bring a concert back in the spring. And so that's a great event to have here at Laura's Bandstand. It'll be out of doors, and hopefully that'll be safe and we can do that. And then as soon as this COVID-19 thing is done, we'll go back to programming, have more programming again. We did have our herb sale this year and our mum and pumpkin sale, and they were a great success. We did not have the festivals, but we did allow people to come and buy the herbs and contact lists and buy the mums and pumpkins, and that was a great success. So we appreciate everybody's support in that. So this spring, our garden manager, Jane Carter, retired. She's been our garden manager and designer for almost 10 years here, so we're sorry to lose her, but we wish her well in retirement. And we've hired Linda Carrier to be our new garden manager. She has worked in the Department of Horticulture and Landscape Architecture for almost 20 years, and we're really glad to have her on board. So we have limited programming right now, but we are open. And a lot of people are using the Botanic Garden every day because they feel it's a safe place to get together. It's a safe place to bring their children because it's out of doors. And so the Botanic Garden has been more busy than ever. So we invite you, please, to come on by, come visit the garden. Even this time of year, it's beautiful. There's always so much to see. And check Facebook and check our website for updates about when we can start programming again, when we might have that concert, and when we're going to have our next sales. So we hope to see you at the Botanic Garden, and good luck in the coming year.
hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.